Learn how to enable or disable the Tap to Check phone, Tap to Show lock screen feature on your Google Pixel 10 and other Pixel devices running Android 17. This handy setting lets you wake your phone's display with a simple tap or lift the phone, making it quicker to check notifications, time, and widgets without pressing the power button. In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly where to find the Tap to Wake setting on your Pixel 10 and explain how it works. Open the app drawer and tap the Settings app. Scroll down and tap Display and Touch. Tap Lock Screen. Here you can see two options to wake up your Pixel screen. One is Tap to Check Phone, and another is Lift to Check Phone. Toggle on the option Tap to Check Phone or Lift to Check Phone. Now lock your Google Pixel device and tap or lift on the phone to view time, notifications, and other information to lock screen. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Google Pixel 10 tips and Android tutorials.